Some things will do. Get the fuck with giving me this shit. Get the fuck out of my face.
Bro, yo, what's up with you, bro? Like,
I just leave, bro. I just leave.
what the fuck you just leave, yo?
Put milk. Put milk. Ah! Oh shit! Ah! Ah, shit! Damn! Ah!
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kid Bonafide with a new video. Today we in Times Square, bro. We finna pretend to sneeze on people, bro. I'ma spray them, achoo, achoo. Hopefully get some good reactions, bro. Yo, get the background, bro. The background, bro. Yo, we better sneeze on these niggas right here, bro. Achoo.
Yo, bro.
Yo, I just sneeze, bro. It's by accident, bro. It's by accident, bro. I just sneeze, bro. Yo, it's a prank, bro. You want it, bro? It's a prank, bro. Yo, can you help me out, bro? Yeah. Bro, yo, look, it's a water bottle, bro. It's a water bottle.
Ah, water.
Yeah,
okay. Sorry, man. Water.
Oh,
yeah, I know, I know.
Camera, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, bro. Bro, look at my back, bro. I got match in my back, bro. Yeah, bro, it's like all over the place, bro. He's wilding, bro. Bro, we gotta get going, bro. We gotta get on, bro.
Hey, fuck, my bad. Shit. Ah, shit. Fuck. My bad, bro. I sneeze on you? I sneeze on you?
Yeah, fucking why he's on my neck?
My bad. I just like to sneeze.
Yeah.
My bad. Want me to wipe it off of my hand?
Huh?
Want me to wipe it off of my hand?
No, I don't know. Which way you guys? Which
This
way I go for Times Square? This way, right?
This time it's good, yeah. Go.
Like, somebody hit me.
Push it. Ah,
Okay?
shit. Yeah. My bad.
Yeah, I'll fuck with you. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's water. It's water. It's water.
No, right.
It's water. It's water.
Call the cop, there's you.
Huh?
Will you call the cop?
Nah.
Excuse me.
Ah, shit. Fuck. Bro, I like to sneeze on. Bro, I have a sneezing problem, bro.
Nah, bro, what the fuck, bro? You good, bro?
Bro.
Bro, you good, bro?
Yo, bro.
What's up, bro?
I sneeze, bro. Look, it's water, bro. It's water, bro. It's a prank, bro. He's recording, bro.
Oh, you gotta chill, bro.
Yeah, bro. You good, bro. Excuse me, ladies.
What?
You guys are absolutely gorgeous. Can I get one of your numbers?
What? My what?
Can I get your number?
No. Get the heck out of here.
I'm 30 years old.
No. I'm way older than you. Triple your age.
So, like, if I was your age, would you date me?
Triple.
Do I look good for a 30-year-old?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. You just made my day. Thank you.
Okay.
Damn, I get girls. I get girls. Thank you. Shit. Oh, shit. I just sneeze.
What the fuck is this, man?
I just sneeze.
This fucking spitting on my face?
I just sneeze.
We're doing some.
Yeah, it's one.
Listen, we're doing some shit video, but we don't play with this shit. You understand? Don't fucking play with this shit.
I'm sorry.
Somebody gonna hurt you really bad. Trust me. You understand? We don't do that. Even if it's perfume, water, no water. You cannot spray some things with it. Get the fuck with giving me this shit. Get the fuck out of my face. Get the fuck out of my face.
Yo, chill.
Why
chill.
you spray this
Yo,
thing?
chill.
I'll call the police for you.
Yo, give me my glasses, bro.
Come here. Come here.
My bad. I'm so sorry.
God damn.
You want to wipe it off my hand?
Keep moving, man.
I'm so sorry.
Alright, it's good. You're not gonna do anything. Get out of here.
I feel embarrassed.
Hey, why you still standing here?
I feel embarrassed, that's
It's
what.
all good, man. What are you gonna do for me?
Hey, bro, I don't want my face on camera.
Oh, y'all fuck with you. It's water. It's water. It's water. It's water. It's water. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
I don't want my face on camera.
Nah, he's not recording. He's not recording.
I can see, but I can't point it at you.
Ah, my bad.
Hey. Oh, man.
Gosh, why the fuck you do that for, nigga?
Man, bro. Man. Huh?
Yo, it's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's water. It's water, bro. It's water. It's water, bro. It's water. Chill out, bro. Chill out. Damn, nigga, why the fuck you post that shit in my hand, bro?
Bro. Il vient de contre le semaine et puis faire comme ça sur notre tête. Tu vois, bro? Oh!
Ah, shit. My bad, bro. You good, bro? My bad, bro. My bad. My bad.
Bro, yo, what's up with you, bro? Like,
I just need, bro. I just need.
what you need to see, yo?
Excuse me? I have a question.
Is he recording?
Nah, I don't know him. I don't know him.
What?
I don't know him.
Yeah, you do.
Nah, I'm playing. You're vlogging. We're vlogging.
No,
We're vlogging.
don't record.
You want to be in the vlog? Like, you look very beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's your name?
Maria.
Maria? I'm Kevin. Nice to meet you.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry, sorry. Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain? Oh, you got a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Damn. Alright, alright. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bro, stop doing all this shit, bro. Stop doing it.
It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro. Damn, bro, you tripping, bro. Ah, shit. My bad. I had to sneeze.
Huh?
I was trying to, like, see what you have to eat.
You coming from here?
Yeah. I'm so sorry. You want me to wipe it off my hand? Excuse me, sir? Yo, I'm sorry for sneezing on you earlier.
Huh?
Did I sneeze on you earlier?
Yeah, that's me. You gotta call the cops. Wait.
Oh shit, yo.